Kani gade Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri Jangka Sarkar Pedang Ubakmi Yakatnan Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Uradha Mohan Singh haka arpu pratrek mentau benai naitung ulawan pli pajba yaka Meghalaya Milk Mission hak jelang kebala penlong haka ni ganong ba shilong. Haka ni gasngi uni Menteri Sarkar Pedang ulapan benaru yaka song pisa keba arspa katsan kelur tingka yaka jela Meghalaya na kabenta ke Milk Mission lingba ke National Cooperative Development Corporation. Haka ni kejelang lapan inam ru yaki muaj balawara na kibenta baper-baper jong kejela. Lasan ran uni Menteri ke Sarkar Pedang dau sambut Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar jela ubak Preston Tensong nang tau Menteri Ketnat Agriculture jong ke Sarkar jela ubak Bantai Dorling do ringkat kejidan lang ki Head Officer Ketnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary. Nang ta kidkhot ke Shillong Milk Union bat kiwi-kiwi.
Kejing sedang berit diwa ban identify ban pet la kunu kumba hajar mud ki beneficiaries kiba in kiba don kejing snotena kan katam regionally na benda kamtam bangila ban kendi dia kadut kababit kababian na benda kipai ba jong bijela lembaga juga dengan program, lembaga juga dengan mission nanti sekmat. Sanlong kecil berku yang iwe, but both say ni juga keren. Jepang kajing kerduk tahu. The entire nation we do have crisis, and the crisis is unemployment. Therefore, right from the central government till the state government, what we are doing now is launching of such mission like Meghalaya Milk Mission and other mission for generating employment to our youths and then to every citizens of India and Meghalaya. By launching this mission, we need to understand one thing, that a number of unemployed youth will be employed. And the employment is, don't get confused, it is not government employment, it is your self-employment. Self-employment is very important nowadays. Banyo kambyo jam, talon bangin trade, dalari, yalari.